Pakistan-India War 2025, S-400 versus HQ-9 air defense systems in a rapidly evolving battlefield scenario. Both India and Pakistan have ramped up the use of advanced missile systems in drone warfare. Amid growing tensions in 2025, cross-border hostilities have escalated, involving widespread use of loitering munitions, drone swarms, and precision missile strikes. India's key strategic advantage lies in its deployment of the Russian-made S-400 air defense system, while Pakistan counters with the Chinese-made HQ-29 system. Although similar in structure, these systems have unique capabilities shaped by their origins. The HQ-29 being a reverse-engineered version of the Russian S-300, whereas the S-400 is a more advanced successor. During Operation Sinandar, Pakistan is reported to have launched swarm drone attacks targeting Indian military installations. These strikes weren't isolated. Multiple high-value locations were hit, including Antipura, Srinagar, Jammu, Pathankot, Amritsar, Ludhiana, and as far as Bhopal. Pakistan employed a coordinated, multi-wave assault using a mix of drones and missiles, signaling a shift to next-gen warfare. In response, India activated its S-400 system to intercept high-speed aerial threats like ballistic missiles, cruise missiles, and advanced jets. To handle low-altitude, slower-moving threats like drones and helicopters, India deployed its indigenous Akash missile system. This combination formed a multi-layered aerial defense, tailored to tackle a wide range of threats in real time. The Akash missile, with its supersonic speed of up to Mach 2.5 and a range of 25 to 30 kilometers, is ideal for short-range air defense. Meanwhile, the S-400 adds long-range muscle to India's defense network. It's capable of engaging threats up to 400 kilometers away. Together, they represent India's shift toward a flexible and robust air defense infrastructure. On Pakistan's side, the HQ-9 system is its primary long-range defense shield. Based on the S-300, it offers solid medium to long-range interception capabilities. However, it falls behind the S-400 in both range and tracking. The HQ-29 has an engagement range of about 120 kilometers and a tracking range of 250 kilometers, significantly lower than the S-400's 400 kilometers engagement and 600 kilometers detection range. Let us dive deeper into the structure of the S-400 and understand why it is regarded as one of the world's most advanced surface-to-air missile systems. The S-400 is composed of 6 key components. Missile launch vehicle, typically mounted on BAZ trucks. Each TEL vehicle can carry 4 missiles. Command and control post, manages target detection, engagement decisions, and launches. Big Bird radar, a long-range surveillance radar that can detect aircraft and drones and missiles up to 600 kilometers away and track up to 300 targets. Gravestone radar. The engagement radar guides missiles with real-time updates and has a range of about 400 kilometers. Altitude. Radar detects targets at varying altitudes and assists in precision targeting. Mobile mass system elevates radar units for better coverage, especially to detect low-flying threats. The missile arsenal of the S-400 includes 4 main types: short range, medium range, long range. It's very long range. This wide array enables the S-400 to create a layered defense capable of neutralizing multiple threat types from various distances. In combat, the engagement sequence begins with the Big Bird radar detecting incoming targets. The command post analyzes whether the target is friend or foe, and if hostile, authorizes a missile launch. Typically, 2 missiles are fired per target, 1 primary and 1 backup, to ensure interception. Guidance is maintained throughout the missile's flight by the Gravestone radar, updating trajectory in real time. For threats attempting to fly low to avoid detection like cruise missiles or terrain-hugging drones, the S-400 employs its mast-elevated radar system. This allows it to identify and neutralize targets that would otherwise escape conventional detection ranges. The system can simultaneously track up to 300 targets, engage up to 80 of them, and guide 160 missiles in flight, making it highly effective in high-intensity conflict zones. That said, the S-400 isn't flawless. The Earth's curvature limits its radar line of sight, particularly against very low-flying objects. Some stealthy cruise missiles could evade detection until they are within 40 kilometers of the target, reducing reaction time. Pakistan's HQ-9 system is composed of a similar architecture but lags in coverage and capacity. In modern warfare, missile systems are only one part of the puzzle. Drone swarms and loitering munitions present unique challenges that require a combination of fast response missiles and robust radar networks. India's strategy of pairing the S-400 with the A-Cache missile system addresses this by balancing long-range precision with short-range agility. The S-400's ability to integrate with radar satellites and aircraft like AWACS also gives India enhanced situational awareness, allows the system to operate beyond visual line of sight, closing the detection gap caused by terrain or Earth's curvature. In conclusion, while Pakistan's HQ-9 provides a reasonable deterrent and is well suited for defending strategic assets, India's S-400 and Akash combo offers superior defense depth and adaptability. With threats evolving rapidly in the region from drones and loitering munitions to cruise and ballistic missiles, a versatile and layered air defense system is no longer optional, but essential. Stay tuned to AI Osman Revolution for more in-depth analysis on military tech and strategic systems. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for our latest AI-generated defense and geopolitical videos.